Let's go.
How's it going? Woo! This is the first time I have existed. We're gonna be doing Pokemon Black 2, and it's a randomizer, and it's a Nuzlocke, and I can't use healing items. Oh dear god. It has Wonder Guard, and it has Terrakion, Draco Meteor, and yeah, this is gonna suck. Like, really bad. So yeah, here we go. So, my layout here. I'm gonna talk about it. The audio is freaking out. So, got screen 1 right here, screen 2 over here. This stuff. You guys can't hear the audio in the game, mostly for the reason because I kind of want to, you know, I want to put no, every single time we add, okay, I have an idea. It's just gonna be J right now, but that's right now. This is being run on an emulator, but I own the game. It's right here. Pokemon Black 2. This is my favorite game, by the way. And normally Nuzlocks go up to the champion, but I want to go a little bit farther than that. That's what we're gonna do. So, what stuff is randomized? My starters randomized. All starters are randomized. All Pokemon are randomized. All types are randomized. All abilities are randomized. 1 incher. So, pretty much everything is randomized. The only thing that isn't randomized are like stats and stuff. But, you know, those are stats. Here we go. The moment of truth. You get to see this doing that stupid thing. These things may show as just simply the regular starters, but I tell you one thing, they're not. They are randomized. They are. I mean, that could still be okay. Okay, well, here's my big problem here. If I pick a Larion, I'm gonna have to go up against a Dragon-type Haunter. I'm gonna go Larion. I have to nickname all these Pokemon. They have to all be nicknamed, which, you know, it's gonna kind of suck to get ideas. So, what I was thinking is that I have this wheel thing for some certain themes that we could do. Okay. Name some random YouTubers.
I don't really watch YouTube.
Okay, what about fat YouTubers?
The avocado guy.
Okay, great.
You need to know.
You'll figure out,
I'm sick of you. I'm sick of you.
It's been 5 days.
What does that mean? What does Elena mean? My Ursared dragon is stationed down. Dragon is stationed happy.
What? We have an encounter. And it's gonna be. Ooh, that was not Diego. Oh my god, Dora, 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 Dora. That was kind of funny. This is my last Pokeball. This is my last Pokeball. Come on. Come on. Are you?
Johnny, get in the game, bro. Get in the game, bro.
There. I'm so scared. Gandhi. A Gandhi.
I liked mine. Mine is really good.
It is pretty good, actually. I ruined it, though.
Shivering in me timbers. I don't want to talk about it. It's so funny. Oh my God.
Are you kidding me? I just want to catch this thing, dude.
Just like how you want to catch my balls.
No. Come on. Come on.
What even happened?
Yeah! I'm gonna do Markiplier. We caught Markiplier with Nikocado and Markiplier. Oh guys,
What's up?
this is the second day. I'm still going pretty well. We just got Markiplier. I don't know if I fought this guy. I did not. Luxio. It's fine. Markiplier is just so overpowered. Yeah, my team is kind of OP if you couldn't tell. He's dead. 153 experience. 152. I don't know, but oh my god. I kill one Luxio and I grow 3 levels. We even encounter. I don't think I have any Pokeballs. I really wish I could make a Ligma joke with this. Or a Sigma joke. And it's okay. Why do I... Well, now that we have Dragon Rage, we can murder everything. We have an item, and it is... Okay, so if we ever find a Pokemon that can remind us of Dream, we catch it in the Dream Ball. Alright, last run this guy had a Latios. Zekrom. Why does this guy keep having legendaries? Okay, that was honestly really sad. Get this item. Heal Ball. What the heck is with the balls? Why am I getting so many balls? Cabolia. Speed to level up, ever. But these guys have like level 9s, so I'm a little scared. Suicune, okay. See, this is called being scared. This should be fine, right? I'll be able to Quiver Dance, you know. His Bullet Punch. That's a little bit scary, knowing it has priority. I'm gonna Dual Shot. Keep using Bullet Punch. Is this Steel type? It is a Steel type. Then I'm gonna use Smackdown. What typing is this? Steamroller? What is it? Alright, I'm gonna Dragon Rage. Dude, it keeps using Bullet Punch. Okay. Of course, Markiplier levels up 527 times. We are gonna fight the gym because we are Chads. Now let's just kill this person. And we're gonna heal, and then we're gonna do the gym. But we're gonna do the gym leader. And we're not doing it. Like, no, it's fine. Frost Breath? That's 4 times super effective. Oh, wait. Is that 4 times? No. Okay, you just crit. Okay. See? That was a little scary. Just a little, though. It was fine. And we're gonna kill this guy because he sucks. Not doing anything. Being a gym leader. So, yeah, this guy sucks. See, he's just got a Litwick. It's not that bad. I'm fine. What's your final Pokemon would be? A Grumpig? Really?
I don't want to do this no more.
It was so easy. It was the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. Ah! We are okay, and we won't die. Leave a double battle. That's a Moltres. We're gonna Dragon Rage the Moltres. I think it should kill. Yep, great. Now we get Quantrix. Pause. This move, I think I need to put a lot of explaining into so you guys can realize how powerful this move could have been to my team. This is an Ice-type move, which all of my team is weak to. This is also a Legendary's signature move, so it's extremely powerful. Just look at that. Look at that. And my team is weak to that. Not much, but it's one. Okay, so he is Kyurem's signature move, and it's super effective on both of us. He is an Ice type. This is fine. This is fine, really. And I'm poisoned. Dear God, this is horrible. I was a little scary because we got a nice type and a legendary, but whatever. Killed it. In a different playthrough, this was a legendary and I killed it. We're just gonna pretend that that never happened. Alright, here we go. That evolves into Sharpedo. Sharpedo's pretty good, not gonna lie. Three. Nice. First try. What YouTuber does this have remind me of? The only sort of shark YouTuber that I know of is that one VTuber. I don't know its name though. There it is. Gargura, welcome to the team. So here's the problem. You're an attacker with only one physical move, and that's Giga Impact. But you have some really good moves like Flamethrower, Heat Wave, Fire Blast, and also Drow. I mean, special attack is still fine. It's 20, but it's fine. It's fine. Honestly, it's a pretty good addition. You're an attacker with only one physical move, and that's Giga Impact. But you have some really good moves like Flamethrower, Heat Wave, Fire Blast, and also Drow. I mean, special attack is still fine. It's 20, but it's fine. It's fine. I forgot. Where did we leave off? I don't remember. Oh yeah, we have 2 more encounters. You see this? There's a bald guy down here. If you give him a Pokeball, he gives you a free Great Ball every day. Our encounter!